Namhlanje isebe lemicimbi yezekhaya liqalise ingxoxo zensuku ezimbini malunga nohlaziyo lonyulo. Isebe lithi eyona njongo yale nkomfa kuqwalasela inkqubela phambili yobuchwepheshe bale mihla ukuze kwakhiwe idemokhrasi eyomeleleyo.
Ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uDkt Leon Schreiber wethula inkulumo yokuvula ingqungquthela yamazwe ngamazwe ezothatha izinsuku ezimbili ye-Electoral Reform Consultation Panel ebilaphaya ehhotela lase-Emperor's Palace eBoksburg eGroleni.
As we gather here today, I think it's worth recognizing that our country and indeed our world stands at an inflection point. South Africa's economic challenges, our growing voter apathy, and increasing dissatisfaction over governance failures are now being compounded by really unprecedented global headwinds. So that is the context in which we are meeting here today. And I would say that there can hardly be a more pressing or opportune moment for us to actually reflect on the reforms that are required to prepare our electoral system and democracy to face the challenges that await our country over these coming months, years, and indeed decades to come.
Inhlosonqangi yale ngqungquthela ukuthuthukisa ubuchwepheshe besimanje ukuze kwakhiwe intando yeningi eqinile embandakanya wonke umuntu nempilo yamuntu siqu. Ungqongqoshe ubesenxusa bonke abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi basekele umsebenzi obalulekile owenziwa yiqembu lethimba kanye nomnyango wezasekhaya.
We, in a democracy as the people, have to rescue the country's future ourselves. We must do it. The people must do it. Because in a democracy, the reality is that the people do the heavy lifting. That's also the thing about the alternative. I think it's important to be mindful as we deal with democracy that we mention the alternative. The alternative is some form of authoritarianism or dictatorship. And the great advantage that they have in the public eye sometimes is that they're easy. In a dictatorship, the people are absolved of responsibility.
Imphumela yalomzamo kanye nokhetho oluzayo uthi lona ezocacisa ikusasa lawo wonke umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika.
For a constitutional democracy like ours to improve the lives of the people, citizens are required to share in the responsibility of governing by voting smartly, by being engaged in their communities, and by protecting the institutions of state from capture and corruption. The work of this panel is an important part of this process because it presents an opportunity to give voters the ability to shape better incentives for politicians by enhancing mechanisms of accountability, stabilizing government, and harmonizing elections to improve inclusivity.
Kuzokhumbuleka le ngqungquthela imele isigaba sokugcina sokuxoxisana nomphakathi njengoba izocubungula kabanzi izincomo zayo zokugcina ePhalamende. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngingunobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseBoksburg.